Good morning. Welcome to Radio Express. News reading by Anakha Saju. The Supreme Court will on Tuesday pronounce its judgment on a writ petition seeking the transfer of funds received in the PM CARES Fund to the National Disaster Response Fund to help in the fight against the pandemic. The government is of the stand that the PM CARES is a public charitable trust to which anyone can contribute. It is a misconception that contributions received by a public trust like PM CARES can be transferred to a statutory fund like the National Disaster Relief Fund, the government has maintained in the Supreme Court. Bangladesh is likely to receive a 1 billion assistance from China for an irrigation project on the Teesta, which has been at the center of a water-sharing negotiation with India. The mega engineering project will help the river to maintain optimal levels during summer. The decision was taken after the Teesta water-sharing agreement with India has failed to materialize, Bangladesh government sources told Eurasian Review, an online publication. Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla, despite the COVID-19 threat, is expected to pay a day-long visit to Dhaka today to deal with the emerging challenges in bilateral ties. Former Congress spokesperson Sanjay Jha tweeted on Monday claiming that around 100 Congress leaders have sought a change in the party's leadership, but the party rubbishes it. Denying it, Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said that canards were being spread at the behest of the BJP to deflect attention from Facebook's inaction against hate speeches made by their leaders. Party insiders claimed that there may have been informal discussions regarding drafting of such a letter, but it may not have been sent. The Indian Embassy in Moscow is in touch with the Russian Medical Research Institute that has developed the world's first COVID-19 vaccine to be approved for public use, said top government sources. According to sources, the data on the safety and efficacy of the vaccine is being awaited. Western experts have been skeptical about the Russian claim given the speed and secrecy with which the Gamaleya candidate has been given regulatory approval. Russian President Vladimir Putin has claimed that the vaccine works quite effectively and forms a stable immunity against the infection. Even as the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology sent a letter to Facebook on Monday seeking its explanation on the Wall Street Journal report, the social media company's public policy director, Ankhi Das, filed a complaint to Delhi police alleging violent threats against her. In her complaint, Das said that she had been receiving violent threats to her life and body and is extremely disturbed by the relentless harassment meted out to her by the accused persons. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar on Monday said that 80% of Campa funds must be used for plantation drives and afforestation, while the rest is to be used for capacity building. He also announced that Project Dolphin, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi mentioned in his Independence Day speech, will be launched by the ministry in a fortnight. The results of the first COVID-19 serological surveillance study conducted for Pune city have shown that 51.5% of the population surveyed in 5 high-incidence wards within Pune civic body limits had developed antibodies. The study indicates that there has been an extensive spread of infection in the 5 highly infected wards sampled in Pune city, with seroprevalence ranging from 36.1% to 65.4% across all types of dwelling. The Department of Telecommunications is set to direct all telecom operators to undertake an information security audit of their networks and submit the report by October end. The objective of the audit, according to sources, is to specifically check for any backdoor or trapdoor vulnerabilities in the telecom networks which can be exploited to extract information and pass on illegally to agencies around the world. A backdoor or a trapdoor is a bug installed in the telecom hardware which allows companies to listen in or collect data being shared on the network. Thank you for being with us.
Radio Express.
To receive Radio Express English news and English programs in your WhatsApp, please send a WhatsApp message English programs to 90727 95547. and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Radio Express. Thank you.